Welcome to IACE. Today we are going to discuss 19th March 2020 Shift 1 Reasoning CHSL paper explanation. Take your first question. Question number 1. Select the option that is related to the third word in the same way second word is related to first word. So friends, here again question is from analogy. What the meaning of analogy means? Here first two objects are related based upon one feature. That same feature is applicable for third one and fourth one. Friends, how these two are related? Boxing is related to ring. In generally, we are going to perform boxing within the ring and within the ring. The same manner, where we are going to perform race means on track. So answer is what? Option B. So we are going to perform boxing within the ring. Next, race we are going to perform on the track. So answer is option B. And question number 2. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. Now, friends, here the again question is from here inserting missing number in. Now, we are going to replace this question mark place. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, 25, 120 here 5, 23, 154, 7, question mark 156, 13. Suppose, friends, take here 120. 120 by 5. 120 by 5 is what? This one is what? 5 2 jar. Next one is what? Here. 5 4 jar. 20 400. Now 24 plus 1 equal to 25. That means your logic is what? Up number by right side corner number equal to resultant number plus 1. Same manner. 154. 154 by 7. 7 2 jar 14. 7 2 jar 14. 22. 22 plus 1 is what? Here 23. In the same manner, here 156 divided by 13. So here 13 1 jar, 13 2 jar. That means here resultant number is what? 12. For that one we are going to add 1. So 12 plus 1 answer is what? 13. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 2 answer is option D. Question number 3. Select the option that is related to the third number in the same way second number is related to the first number. Here also question is from analogy and now. Friends, 2197 is related to 12167. Now 2197 this one is what? Here 13 cube. Now 12167 this one is what? Here 23 cube. That means here friends, the first number 13 plus 10 whole cube. 13 plus 10 is what? 23 whole cube. Yes. So first number is what? 13 cube. For that one plus 10 is what? 23 cube. 23 cube is what? 12167. In the same manner 343 this one is what? Here 7 cube. For this one plus 10, 7 plus 10 is what? Here 17. Now 17 cube is what? 4913. So answer is what? Option C. So question number 3 answer is what? Option C. Question number 4. X is the sister of Y. Friends, take here. The given is X is the sister of Y. Y is the daughter of M. Take friends here. Y is the daughter of M. M is the mother of P. Now M is the mother of P means now these three are the siblings. Next one. P is the brother of Y. P is brother of Y. Next one. T is the brother of X mother. Friends, here X mother is what? M. Now T is the brother of X mother. Yes. X mother is what? M. So M brother is what? T. So T is the brother of M. Leave it. Then how T is related to M? How T is related to M? Friends, how T is related to M means answer is what? Brother. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 5. 4 numbers have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the number that is different from the rest. So they given total 4 options. Out of 4 options, 3 options are same, 1 is different. So which one is the different? Now take friends here first one 224, 196, 360, 528. Friends, 224 this one is what? 15 square minus 1. This one is what? Here 14 square. This one is what? 19 square minus 1. This one is what? 23 square minus 1. That means your answer is what? Here 196. Why means remaining all are square minus 1, but this one is a square. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 6. If a mirror is placed on the line MN, now they kept mirror this side and now. Next. Then which of the given answer figure is the correct image of the given question figure? Friends, if it is a mirror image means left is right and right is left. Now this one is here left side. That means it should, if it is a mirror image means it should be right side. It should be right side means here there is chance to take A, B there is chance to take C, D no chance to take. Now leave it. Now in normal image this big circle is left side. If it's a mirror image it should be right side. But here both are same circles, no chance. Now here they given this big circle is it should be right side, but it is left side means no chance. That means here remaining is what? Option A is the answer. So question number 6 answer is option A. Question number 7. How many cubes are there in the given figure? Suppose once observe here. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, this one is a 1 cube. Next, this one also here 1 cube. This one also 1 cube. This one also 1 cube. Here this one also 1 cube. This one also 1 cube. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. That means friends total here in 1 row totally 6 is there. That means how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means total is what? 36. Like this here, how many is there? This one part 36. Again for this one also we are going to get 36. Next 36 plus again 36. Next for this layer also again we are going to get here 36. This layer also we are going to get 36. That means here plus 36 plus 36. That means simple logic is what? 36 into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. That means 36 into 4 is what? 144. So answer is what? Option D. Friends, simply solve like this and once here, once again, here in if you are going to take here for this one, here 1 cube, this one is 1 cube, this one is 1, this one is 1, this one is 1, this one is what? 1. That means in one row we are having total 6 cube and that means total here we are having total 6 row. That means total is what? 36. That means only for this layer here 36. Second layer also 36, third layer also 36, fourth layer also 36. So answer is what? Option D 144. Question number 8. The sequence of folding a piece of paper and the manner in which the folded paper has been cut is shown in the question figure. Select the figure from the answer figures that would be most closely the unfolded paper. Here the again question is from paper cutting and paper folding and paper cutting. Now from stage one is our actual paper. It is divided into two parts. They given arrow mark is top to bottom. That meaning is our top part is folded to bottom. Now again this bottom part again they divide into two parts. Right is folded to left. That means we are having only left part. In that left part they given one triangle. They given one square or rectangle shape, one circle shape. Friends, here folding is from right to left. Unfolding is from left to right. So left to right if you are going to unfold means then this one will be square will be like this. Again here triangle, here circle. Now this one unfolding completed. Now folding is from top to bottom. Unfolding is from bottom to top. Bottom to top means here the square will come. Here also the square will come. Triangles are going to invert. Top is bottom, bottom is top. Next here it is going to invert. Here one circle will fall. Here also one circle will fall. So which of the following figure is there like that? Suppose friends once if you are going to observe here they given triangles both are same. This one no chance. Next for this one circle is not there. Once if you are going to observe here diagram B, yes diagram B is the answer. Question number 8 answer is option B. Question number 9. Select the number that can replace the question mark. Now we are going to replace this question mark placement. Suppose often see at C10G, next one H20L, next one L17E, L question mark Q. Suppose friends take here, friends C face value is what? 3, G face value is what? 7, 3 plus 7 is what? 10, H face value is what? 8, L face value is what? 12, 12 plus 8 is what? Here 20. L face value is what? 12, E face value is what? 5, 12 plus 5 is what? 17. In the same manner, L face value is 12, Q face value is what? 17, total is what? 29 is the answer. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 10. In the given Venn diagram, A denotes like teaching and now this one is teaching. Next, B denotes like cooking. Now B this one is a cooking. C denotes like playing. Now C is a playing. Now next given question is what? How many person like only teaching and playing but not cooking? Only teaching and playing but not cooking and that means only teaching means what? This one will come. Next only playing means what? This one will come but not cooking. but not cooking means then this one there is no chance to take. This entire one no chance to take. That means only teaching 21 members. Next, only playing 14 members. Next, here teaching and playing also here we are having 6 members. Why means friends here the given is part only teaching and only playing but not cooking it, but not cooking. That means 21, 6 and 14 this one will come. That means total is part 41 members. So answer is part option A. Question number 10 answer is option A. Question number 11. Select the combination of letters that when sequentially placed in the blanks of the given series will complete the series. Friends, for this type of questions, once analyze the sequence, otherwise simply go through the options. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, Mn, after Mn here O is there, Mn, OP, next one is what here, NOP, NOP, again M, yeah, that means friends take here, MNOP, next again, MNOP, again, MNOP, again, MNOP, yes, that means here, MNOP series is repeating it. By taking here O, next one P, M, N. So, which option is there? OPMN. OPMN, answer is what? Option C. So, by substituting option C, here OPMN, this series is repeating it. So, question number 11, answer is what? Option C. Question number 12, identify the letter cluster that does not belong to the following series. Does not belong, that means which of the following is the wrong one and which of the following is the wrong one. Suppose, friends, if they given like this means first letter is one sequence, second letter is second sequence, third letter is third sequence. Suppose take here D, H, L, P and T. Friends, D and H logic is what? Plus 4. H and logic is what? Plus 4. L and P logic is plus 4. P and T logic is what? Plus 4. Then leave it. Go for second letters. E, next one I, next one K, Q, next one is what? Here U. Friends, E and I logic is what? Plus 4. I and K logic is what? Here I9, K is what? 11, this one is what? Here plus 2. K and Q logic is what? Here K is what? 11, Q is what? 17, then this one is what? Plus 6. Now Q and U, this one is what? Again Q17, U21, that means this one is what? Here plus 4. Now that means friends here there is chance to get wrong letter. Friends, here we are having plus 4, here also we are having plus 4 and that means here logic is what? Plus 4. E plus 4 I. Now I plus 4. I plus 4 is what? Here M and I is what? 9. 9 plus 4 is what? 13. 13 means what? M. Next M plus 4. M 13 plus 4 is what? 17. 17 means what? Q. That means in place of K if you are going to take here M is now series is what? Plus 4. But here they given plus 2 means now LKM is the wrong number. Friends, here plus 4, that means this one is correct only, I is correct only. Now I plus 4 is what? 13. 13 means what? In place of K, M should be there. If you are any doubt, check for next letter also. Here K plus is what? M. If I take this one is M is, now this one is what? Middle letter Q. M plus 4 is what? 17 Q. Yes, it is satisfying. So wrong number is what? LK, M, answer is what? Option D. Question number 13, in a certain code language, 21683 is written as you have HC. That means here simple logic is what? They given face values and U face value 21, F face value 6, H is 8, C is what? 3. Next one is what? 15654. Here they given O, F, E, D. O face value 15, F face value 6, E is 5, D is what? 4. That means here simple logic is what? Face values and now here the given is what? Here 1523, next one is what? 6. Friends, 15 means what? Here 15 means what? O. 15 means what? Here O. Otherwise some of them will get doubt. Sir, here this one is 15 we should take or 1 we should take. Suppose if we take here 1, this one is what? A. Next 5 means what? E. Next 2 means what? Here B. With A, E, B any option is there? No. That means here we are not going to take only 1 and that means take 15. 15 means what? O. Next one is what? Here 2. 2 means what? B. Next 3 means what? C. F means what? 6. That means here O, B, C, F, answer is what? Option B. Here logic is what? Face values. Question number 14. Select the number that can replace the question mark in the following series. Here the again question is from number series. Now we are going to replace question mark. 30, 130, 350, question mark. Suppose friends 30 means can able to write 3 cube plus 3. 3 cube is what? 27 plus 3 is what? 30. Next one is what? 130 means can able to write 5 cube plus 5. 5 cube 125 plus 5 130. Next 350. 7 cube plus 7. 7 cube is what? 343 plus 7 is what? Here 350. That means here odd number cube plus that number. 3, 5, 7. Next one is what? 9. 9 cube plus 9. 9 cube plus 9. 9 cube is what? 729 plus 9 is what? Here 738. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 15. In a certain code language, here they given JONAIL is written as IRMDHO. Next one, PLM next UTG is written as. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, friends, J and I logic is what? Minus 1. O and R logic is what? Plus 3. N and M minus 1. E and D plus 3. I and H minus 1. L and O plus 3. That means your logic is what? Minus 1 plus 3. Same manner. Minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3. Friends, P minus 1. 16 minus 1 is what? 15. 15 means what? O. L is what? 12. Plus 3 is what? 15. That means here O. M minus 1. M is what? 13. Minus 1 is what? 12. 12 means what? Here L. So OOL, we are having 3 options, leave it. Next one, U, 21 plus 3, 24, X, 20 minus 1, 19, S, C, 7 plus 3, 10, J. That means your answer is what? OO, LX, S, J. So answer is what? Option C. Your logic is minus 1 plus 3. Friends, question number 16, find the number of triangles in the given figure. Friends, we know one basic point. Friends, if the figure is like this and if the figure is like this, the number of triangles in the given figure is formula is what? 2n. If the figure is like this means number of triangles in the given figure is 2n, where n is number of small triangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 2 into 8 total is what? Here 16. That means friends, once if you are going to observe only this part is looking like same. That means for this part we are going to get 16. Next again if you are going to take entire one, this one also looking like same. That means for this one also we are going to get 16. Total is what? 32. So answer is what? Option A. Friend, don't go with general method. Why means here we are having symmetric division. That means equal parts division. If you are having equal parts division means we are having the formula. And so if it is this shape means then formula is what? Here 2n. Where n is number of small triangles we are having 8. 2 into 8 is what? 16. So like these shapes here we are having the two shapes. This one is what? 1. This one is what? Second one. For this part we are going to get 16, this entire part also again we are going to get 16, total is what? 32, option A is the answer. Question number 17, select the answer figure that means placed in the blank space of the question figure will complete the pattern. Now we are going to replace this question mark placement. Suppose friends, once observe here, this one is, the center one is one triangle, yes. Next one, this line will come like this. Next one, this one also one triangle. Next, this part is look like one triangle, yes. Now this part also look like here one triangle. So like this, which are the following figure is there? One check here. Diagram 2 is looking like same. So answer is what? Diagram 2. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 18. Here again question is from Silax. The given statement is one. But before that read the question. Which of the following conclusions are logically follows? Why means some cases they will mention logically follows or logically does not follows. So first read the question, then take the statement. So our requirement is what? Logically follows. That means here true conclusions. Take your given statements. All men are animals. Take your men. This all men are animals. Next one is here. No man is a bird. Here man. No man is a bird. Yes, friends, take first conclusion. All animal are birds. Friends, here we know here no man is a bird means here men is some part in animal, we know some part of animal is not bird, but here all animal are bird, this one is wrong. Next one, all animals are men. Friends, here in the entire boundary of animal, here men is a some part, that means we know only some part of animal is a man, but all animal is a man made, this one also can't say. So simple answer is part, both are wrong, answer is option C, neither one nor two. Question number 19, identify the letter cluster that does not belongs to the following series. So out of given letter cluster, which one is the wrong one, which one is the different one? Suppose E, C, G, H, F, M, K, I, T. Suppose, friends, take here E, C, E plus C, E face value is what? 5, C face value is what? 3, total is what? 8, minus 1 is what? 7, 7 is what? G. Same manner, sum of these two. H plus F, H is what? 8, F is what? 6, total is what? Here 14, minus 1 is what? 13, 13 means what? Here M. Same manner, K and K, I. Friends, K face value here 11, I face value is what? 9, total is what here? 20 minus 1. So sum of these two minus 1, 20 minus 1 is what? Here 19, 19 means what? Yes, but here they given T, so T is the wrong one. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 20, select the answer figure in which the question figure is embedded. Here rotation is not allowed, rotation is not allowed. So this figure is hidden in which of the following 4 figures, and yes, here it is not there. So simply once if you are going to observe here in diagram B, this figure is hidden or not? Yes. Now answer is what? Here diagram B is the answer. Question number 20, option B. Question number 21, select the letter that can replace the question mark in the following series. Now C, E, G, next F, E, that means increasing and decreasing is there, means that is a alternative series. And remember, if increasing and decreasing is there, means in that we are having the 2 series, alternative series. Suppose friends, take here C, G, E, next one I, question mark, next E, F, G, H, question mark. Suppose friends, C and G logic is what? Here plus 4. Next G and E, G and E logic is what? This one is minus 2. E and I logic is what? Plus 4. That means plus 4 minus 2, next one is plus 4. Next one is what? Here minus 2. I minus 2, 9 minus 2 is what? 7. 7 means what? G. So answer is what? Option C. Check for second series also. E and F logic is what? Plus 1. F and G plus 1. G and H here plus 1. Yes. That means here logic is for first letters plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2. For second letters here plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here which are the following will come in place of question mark, means answer is G. Question number 22, if hash means minus, friends take here hash means minus, next and means division, next at the rate means here multiplication, next divide by means here plus and. Then what is the value of following expression? Here they given 15 at the rate. At the rate means what? Here into 2. Divide by means what? Here plus 900 and means what? Divide by 10. Hash means what? Minus 50. So here we know simplification rule is what? V bar mass. So first priority is for here bar. Next one bracket of. These 3 are not there. That means first priority is for division. Now 900 by 10 means this one is what? Here 90. So 15 into 2 is what? This one is what? 30. 30 plus 90 minus 50. Total is what? Here 120 minus 50. So answer is what? Here 70. Answer is option C. Question number 23. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. Now, friends, once if you are going to observe here 11, 5, next one is what? 3. Sum is what? 11 plus 5, total is what? 16. 16 plus 3 is what? 19. Now, 19 square is what? 361. That means here logic is what? Sum of first 3 rows, then square equal to last row. Same manner. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 7 is what? 27. 27 square is what? 729. In the same manner, this one is what? 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15 is what? Here 23 plus x. Now sum of this square is what? Here 1 to 25. So 1 to 25 is what? This one is what? 35 square. So 23 plus x equal to 35. Now x equal to here 12 and x equal to 12. Answer is what? Option A. Here logic is what? Sum of first 3 rows square equal to last row. So answer is what? Here 12. Option A is the answer. Question number 24. Select the number that can replace the question mark in the following series. Here the given number is what? 211, 215, 231, 267 question mark. Suppose. Friends, here difference is how much here? 4. Next difference is how much here? 16. Next difference is how much here? 36. That means here if you are going to observe here 2 square, next 4 square, next 6 square. That means even number squares. 2 square, 4 square, 6 square. Next one is what? 8 square. 8 square is what? 64. Now 267 plus 64. Total is what here? Here 12, 13. Total is what? Here 331. 331 means answer is what? Option D. Question number 24. Answer is option D.